Radhe Radhe. Today we are going to do Polynomials chapter class 10. This is a very interesting chapter. I will go NCERT wise and you will be able to solve each and every question of NCERT very easily. So let's start. Let's understand the meaning of polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression which consists of coefficients and variables. For example, we have x square plus x minus 1. So there is a variable x and with coefficient, that is 1, because when we multiply 1 by x it becomes x square. Same in this case. So this is one of the definitions of polynomial. Another definition of polynomial is it is that algebraic expression which consists of two or more terms with degree. So I hope the meaning of polynomial should be clear to you. It is the easiest and you will get full marks on this definition. Next comes the types of polynomials. So we are going to do the types now. First one is linear polynomial. Polynomial with degree 1. Before that, let's understand the meaning of degree. What is a degree? What is a degree? So, for example, I give you x square plus x minus 1. So what is the degree? Degree is 2. Degree, you need to learn this thing. This is very simple. Degree of a polynomial is the highest power. Highest power means, here you can see x has power 1 and it has 2. So the highest degree here is 2. So the highest power is also called degree, and it is also called zeros. Zeros means root. How many zeros, how many roots of a polynomial is also determined by its degrees, by its highest power. In this polynomial we will get 2 solutions because the degree is 2. Okay. So this thing should be clear. So linear polynomial with degree 1. For example, I give you x plus 1. It has 1 degree. That's simple. Next is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, you must be understood with the definition. It has degree 2. Example, the same we have taken, x square plus x plus 1 with 2 degree. Next comes is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial with degree 3. Example, if we take, we have x cube plus x square plus x minus 2. So we have the highest power 3, that is the degree. So that is, it's known as cubic polynomial. Now what the problem student face is, when they find one term they think it is linear, when they find 2 terms they think it is quadratic. But no, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial is determined by the degrees. So this thing should be remembered by you all. Now the next thing is the standard form of a polynomial. Standard form. this should be understood very clearly. It's very simple as well. So talking about linear polynomial, it is ax plus by plus c. Why so? Linear polynomial means degree 1. Degree 1 means only one solution. So that's why here the highest power is 1 only. That is the standard form of linear polynomial. Next is quadratic. They are equal to 0 as well. Quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The highest power is 2 because it's quadratic polynomial, as we have understood. Next is cubic polynomial. So it is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. So this is cubic polynomials standard form, and the highest power is 3. Okay. Next we will be understanding the coefficients. So in linear polynomial, basically coefficient is the number which is the multiple of the variables in the equation. Here a is in the multiple of x, b is in the multiple of y. Here the multiple is 1. Yes, here its coefficient is a, it's b, it's 1, it's a, it's b, it's c, it's 1. Okay, these are the coefficients. Now there are basically polynomial chapter we cover most of the quadratic polynomial area, and now let me tell you what is the formula for using coefficient. Here what we do, we show the relationship between the coefficients and the zeros of the polynomial. So we'll talk about the quadratic polynomial because in this chapter we basically this given. So it is sum of the zeros is minus b upon a, and the product of zeros is c upon a. This is not going to be used in exercise 2.1. So we will this I have told you, but I will explain it in the next class for this next exercise. So let's get back to the exercise. First exercise is basically based on the geometrical solutions of a quadratic polynomial. How we are going to find the geometrical solutions. So basically this is a graph. It's going to be y, it's going to be x. So we are not gonna draw a graph, we'll draw a Cartesian plane for this. Now in this we made a curve. We need not to make the curve, it is given in the question. We just need to answer that how many zeros are in the question. So there is a term that y is equal to p in terms of x. P in terms of x means the solutions, how many times the solutions, how many zeros are, the number of times the line, the graph line touches the x-axis. For example, it's given to us like this. So how many times it's touching the x-axis? It's going to be 1 point and the second point. The number of zeros will be 2. In the same way, we are going to do all the questions, and the exercise is simple, clear. This is the introduction for the first exercise in the chapter. The next video I will be giving you the solutions of exercise 2.1. Thank you.